Fritz, OKX pumped 40% today. Do you know why?
Yeah, I do.
Tell
Good
me about
news.
it.
Yeah. They are, or if I'm having it correct, the stock exchange in the US, US-based stock exchange is going to, or they did invest in OKX.
And a valuation of, do you know?
25 bill?
25 billion for a crypto exchange.
Yeah. What do you think?
Massive.
Yeah.
I think it's positive and it's negative. The reason why it's positive, I think, because it's having a New York Stock Exchange invest in something like a crypto company is very good for crypto adoption. And on the other hand, it is the opposite, where having such a company invest in a crypto company makes it a bit the opposite of what crypto was made for. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's a positive thing that we have more money coming in. We have, I guess, OKX eventually doing an IPO. But yeah, is it positive? I don't know.
Yeah, it's it's a bit funny. It's decentralized, and it's private capital which is gaining, not public.
Yeah.
Unless you are the token holder. I don't know how it's gonna. Do you know how it's gonna work with token holders?
I have no idea actually.
What's the?
I don't know actually.
I think it's I guess it's equity buy from the business.
Yeah.
I don't know. That's my estimate.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I need to look this up. But yeah. So yeah, fair point on that part.
Yeah.
Ideally, that goes to all the crypto people as well. But much of the.
Yeah, it's. I mean, the news came out. OKB, the token of OKX, obviously it pumped like 40%, and now I just checked before we went to record. It went down a bit again. That's usually how these things happen, right? It goes up, it goes down. And so apart from OKB or OKX, we also have Bitcoin finally pumping again.
Yeah, a little upwards move. Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm pretty neutral on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like so. I don't know, it can go up, can go down. Yeah.
And that's the end of the story today. It
like
can go up, it can go down.
I don't know. If it's any sustained move, I would like to see like 2 or 3 more days of upside.
Yeah.
And then it's like a bit more serious move, and then you can act a bit if you want. But for now, it doesn't do much.
FOMO?
No FOMO.
No?
But I don't have much FOMO. It's not a real. No, that's the thing. I don't have much FOMO. Also, maybe not enough fear for the downside. I'm quite like, I will wait it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. For you, do you feel?
I don't feel FOMO because the bounce was too low or too little. Because I mean, we went from 65k-ish Bitcoin to now 72, 73-ish.
Yeah.
So no FOMO, but I do have to say it feels good to finally see some green again.
Yeah, I agree.
I kind of forgot how it felt. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Where I have a ticker next to my laptop or my PC. And I can see the crypto price live. It was sort of amazing to see finally some green again instead of purely red. So I'm actually quite happy with how we're feeling about that. Yeah, but apart from that, definitely no FOMO.
Okay.
No, I'm not, to be honest, not that interested in. I mean, not interested in crypto is a big word, but I'm not that actively busy with crypto at the moment.
Yeah.
You?
Same. Yeah. Same. I do keep track of a few things, but
yeah,
but
more the general stuff. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
What's Bitcoin dominance? What's the Bitcoin price? What are some tokens doing? Things like that. That's the thing I'm sort of keeping an eye on, but I'm not directly in the trenches at the moment. You know what I mean?
Same.
It's just it feels a bit counterintuitive to trade right now. Yeah, still the interest is there. I'm still doing a lot of things with crypto, also doing a lot of things with crypto and AI, but I'm not that specifically deep in the trenches at the moment.
Yeah. Not like before where it was 24/7.
Do you think it's going to come back?
Yeah, generally always does. So far at least, always came back, right?
Yeah.
Like opportunities leave. This is a long time that it was down.
Yeah.
Like barely any opportunities, but they always come back as long as it's the asset class is there. So I'm not too worried. The only thing maybe is a lot of on-chain projects or software companies.
Yeah.
So I don't know with AI
Yeah.
how that's gonna work out, but I guess there will always be new projects launching.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, I think, like you said, eventually we will go up again. I think that's how cycles work. I don't see crypto disappearing at all. I don't see Bitcoin disappearing at all. Projects launching, I think eventually projects will launch again as well. I just think this cycle was already a different cycle compared to the one before, and I think the next cycle is going to be even more different. We talked about this in our podcast episode as well, that's going to go live next week, is what's the current bear market game plan? I guess buying some Bitcoin, buying some ETH, and doing some DCA into the top coins, and that's pretty much it. And it feels like if everyone is doing that, and if that's the case right now, then the low caps for the altcoins we're in might not have a very good run for the next cycle. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I'm not too worried about the positions I have.
Okay.
So, because I feel like they're on the right, they have usage, they're on the right spots.
Yeah.
But for sure, some of them will not recover.
Yeah,
will
most
happen.
of them.
Yeah, some of them will.
Yeah.
And might go much higher. Like
Yeah.
I don't know. So, for example, you see now OKX, it gets bought for 25 billion.
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes you think. Okay, hype. It's currently at 8 billion. Like and this is not like a value. So the 25 billion from OKX, it's not like a valuation, a crypto valuation.
No,
it's a stock exchange buying at these levels.
Yeah.
So that makes me like, okay, those protocols right now, like Aster, like Hype,
Yeah.
Pump Fun, it's a bit a different thing.
Yeah.
But still, like, and there's a lot of people using it. I'm like, yeah, those tokens I'm not too worried about.
Yeah.
I'm just holding them. It's
yeah. Probably the best, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah, interesting, right? Even the Hype right now, 4x to the valuation of OKX.
Yeah.
And yeah. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard to say because the valuations are always a bit off, if you ask me. I mean, even AI companies are now getting valuations of like 850 billion. I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say anything about valuations at the moment. I feel like exchanges are obviously the most stable players in a crypto space.
Yeah.
Bybit, our partner of ours, obviously also a very big player. I think these companies are very solid, make steady income. Even if the market goes down, there's volume, so they are making money.
Yeah.
So I think these are the big parts in crypto, and we shouldn't forget. In 2021, we had tokens of like, I don't know, Dogecoin had a market cap of 100 billion or something like that.
Yeah.
So it's in a bull run, valuations are completely different than what we're having right now. Where, for example, you say Hype is now 8 billion. You're thinking, okay, maybe it can go towards 16, maybe 24. But in a bull run, it can go to 100 plus easy.
Yeah.
So, that's why it's hard to say anything about valuations now, because if you compare them to a bull run, it's peanuts.
Yeah.
So we should all be buying some crypto right now.
Yeah, buy more
no financial advice.
Yeah. I mean, back in the buying mode. Yeah. No, but in all fairness, like next year, these levels feel kind of buyable.
Yeah.
From angles. Yeah. Also, like, it's not so buying those at 100 billion is actually crazy from many levels, but it happens. But I don't know if you see that OKX is at 25 bill valued and you can buy Hype at 8 bill and Aster at 2 bill, or I don't know.
Yeah, that's
exactly.
a no-brainer.
It's like, okay, those are like decent levels to start buying.
Yeah. Hey, and before we wrap up this episode, how are you feeling sort of in your head? What are you busy with? How are you doing emotionally wise?
Yeah, I'm doing well. We're going back to the gym.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Training the muscles from Brussels sprouts.
Yes. It's funny. They always say like the second time goes faster, right? To gain your muscles back.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't really believe that. But now I'm kind of noticing the difference. It's so it feels like a bit of easy mode in terms of.
Yeah.
So
but still, you gotta
nice.
Build it up from the bottom again.
Yeah.
So, but maybe you build it up a bit faster. But it's good to hear. So, some gym, some relaxing.
Yeah, and a lot of AI
stuff.
Working. Every day, the
Yeah.
whole day, or a big part
Messes
of it.
you up.
Yeah. For you?
Yeah, I mean, so I think the most busy in my head I've been for the past few years.
Yeah.
Also a bit of crypto, also a bit of AI, and also a bit sort of everything that we're managing with the company, etc. It's a mixed feelings of having constant FOMO for AI, and literally everywhere we go with a meeting, or if I see someone and we talk about AI, I get more and more FOMO, and I think, oh yeah, we can do this as well. This is a company we can start, etc., etc. So it keeps on going in my head. On the other hand, crypto is a bit more relaxed, so that's nice. And I'm sort of, what you said last time, I came up with terms to how things have been in crypto, and that's just how it is. So slowly DCAing, I think, is going to be the play to get a possible bull run again. So it's a mix. It's at one point kind of relaxed, and at other point very busy in my head with all the things I want to do, and there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done. But time for a holiday next week. Do some relaxing on the beach, and then
Nice.
come back with a fresh energy again.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Where you going?
Fuerteventura.
Oh, nice.
Well, probably the weather is going to be like this, but then a couple degrees warmer.
Yeah, it's great. That's nice.
Time to get back on the grind, Fitz.
Yeah, let's do it.
It was good seeing you again with some touching grass.
Yeah.
And then see you next week at the podcast again.
Yeah. Thanks.
Time to go inside.